Good morning! Hello everyone! Derin is having his breakfast. He's so hungry. He got up at 7:30 today, didn't he? That's because you woke up at 2:30 and you didn't go back down until 4 o'clock. Yeah, but you're so hungry. He has runny nose, which is a good sign. At least it's coming out. Eat your breakfast because Grandma's going to be angry with Mummy if you don't eat. Good, yeah, eat your breakfast, okay? Guys, Derin only has two ounce of milk left, only. 2 ounce, and there's only 2 left, no more. Look at that. No milk. I have to start expressing some milk again. He's only got 2 left. So I'm going to start today when I put Derin to sleep. That's how I've scheduled it. So when Derin's down for his first nap, I'll express some milk, because he usually doesn't have. I don't nurse him because he has breakfast. So I'll get my body used to thinking that yeah, we need some more milk at this time. So that's what I'm planning to do it at his first nap, which is usually 9:30 to 10:30, and then when I get back from work, I don't usually go nurse him straight away, so I'll express then as well. This is how he coughs, it's quite bad. Yeah, so I'll express twice a day. Try and aim to get about 6 ounce each, which would be 3 because he only has 3 ounce for his porridge. You coughing so badly, Derin. Oh gosh, guys. He puked a little bit, which is good because it was all the mucus that came out. Have some water. Oh, bless him. Hate it when he's so ill. Have so much water, Derin. You have got to have plenty of water. More water. Look at all that runny boogies. Look at that runny boogies. And you still don't forget to smile, do you? Anyway guys, I'm going to nurse him right now and put him down because he's so tired. He got up at 7:30 and it's like past 9 o'clock now. So I'm going to put him down. Derin's asleep. He slept at 9:10 and it's exactly 10 o'clock, so it's been 50 minutes. I've got runny nose myself, but I've chosen a wrong bottle to express milk in. I don't know how much milk I've expressed, but I think it's enough for 1 feeding. I asked my mum, she says she uses about 4 to 5 ounce per morning. So I was wrong. I think that's about 4.5, so I'm going to put this in one of the storage bags and then do another one later. I thought it was 3, so I thought I'd do 6, so that's 2, like 2 bags, but now that she said 4 or 5, I think I can only manage 2 bags a day until my body starts getting used to expressing a bit more milk than usual. This is the bag that I use. I use Lancino storage bags. I get 1 and there's like a... Yay! Our foil has arrived! It's here and Derin's just playing with it right now. It's actually meant to be a foil blanket, like an emergency blanket to keep you warm, but babies use it to play with it and he loves it. So guys, you watch Derin while I edit. There we go. Now it looks like there's 6 ounce, so I'm not quite sure. But next time I'll use a bottle that actually tells me how much I've expressed. There we go. A whole 6 ounce milk, which is perfect. I'll try and do another one when about 12 o'clock when he has his lunch, and he doesn't really nurse when he has his lunch either. He just has it before he goes to sleep. Nap time, so I'll do one as well. Once you get used to expressing, it's like you keep wanting to express. That's how I was last time, when I had a lot of milk supply, when my body didn't know how much to produce. I was making so much and I was addicted to it. I was like, oh my god, I need to express, oh my god, I need to express. It was so tiring, but I was just used to it. Now, I mean, it took me such a less time to express this much. I was just laughing, I was just expressing and thinking to myself, oh my god, like before, it used to take me an hour to express like 3 ounce, and now it just literally took me about 10 minutes to express 5 ounce. But come on, I do have an 8-month-old, so guys, don't be like, wow, I have a kid that's 8 months, so I think my body is aware of producing milk. Now, because Derin's sleeping, I've got a little bit more time to myself, and I'm going to use this time to edit yesterday's vlog. Guys, please comment below and ask Sarah to edit my vlogs, because I need help. I really do. I need some time to just relax and just lie down and not do anything. So do comment below and just ask Sarah to edit, please, 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 please. Yay! Our foil has arrived. It's here and Derin's just playing with it right now. It's actually meant to be a foil blanket, like an emergency blanket to keep you warm, but babies use it to play with it and he loves it. So guys, you watch Derin while I edit. I've put this cellular blanket on. Derin's temperature. This is all the balls. This is all like the soft, these ones, and these ones are music, and the ones underneath, there's it. Let's pick you up because Mum wants to enjoy her tea, not coffee. There we go. You play with those, alright? Mummy's going to enjoy it. I think Mummy deserves it. Love you. Love you so much. Okay. You want my syrups? My zippers. Got these, if I've got the energy, Alright, edit's done. Happy. One edit done again. One edit done again. Where's Derin? Where is Edie? Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Say I'm feeling quite ill. But Mummy's doing everything that she can do to make me happy again. Yeah. Did I not tell you guys that he loves this so much? I'm coping quite well with this editing application, Adobe. So when Derin goes down for his second nap, I'm going to try and edit the videos that I have and I still haven't yet done so. Did that make sense? I've got so much footages that needs editing, so I'm going to do them while Derin's down for his second nap. Because I found it quite easy. I don't know why. Maybe the laptop's quite fast. That's why it doesn't bore me and I don't get stressed out. Anyway, guys, me and Derin's going to play now. Alright? Guys, Derin's down for his second nap. I forgot what time he went down. Oh my god, I was just thinking. He did go down at 12:10 and now it's like 1:10, so it's been exactly an hour and he's still sleeping, which is a good thing. Mizgin's back from Germany because she went away for 2 weeks. Now she's back and she's here. So when Derin gets up, I've told them that I'm going to leave Derin with them and just like have a nap, an hour or two nap, because I really need just like a nap. These two are like cats and dogs, seriously. I'm going to have a nap. I'm just going to lie down and wait for Derin to wake up. I've done the editing, but I can't somehow find the video anymore, so I'm going to wait for Sarah to come home and sort that out, so it might go up a bit late for a few days because I'm trying to figure it out still. That's about it. That's the update right now. I'm going to watch some telly. I've had some lunch. I've had like cheese and tomato sandwich that I made myself. I feel so like sleepy for a few days and really lazy. I don't know what it is. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to go out anywhere. But I have been, you know, active with Derin, spending some good time with him and playing with him. And he has been feeling really bad for me to take him out as well. I think being at home is not really doing it for me. I don't like being at home for so long. And now that I'm home and then I go straight to work, I think that's kind of tiring me and making me feel more lazy. Because I like being active, and if I'm not active I'll just feel lazy, and that's how I think everyone feels. But we'll see. I just hope Derin feels better so that we can go out. I want to go and see Emid. I haven't seen him in ages. I want to go and see Haida and Ezgi. So much things to do.
Is this?
That was so big.
It's
I need to eat before anyone else eats in this house.
What are you two arguing about?
Mom sent him this chocolate.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You know what, guys? This is just delicious. You know? It's not, it's a different kind of, it looks like it.
It's all Ferrero.
But
look.
This is so yummy. It's unbelievable. This is, I think it's, if someone was to ask me, what should I bring you from Germany, I'd want this chocolate. It's just, it's crazy.
Yeah,
it's so nice. It's so nice. And there's another one.
Magic.
And there's Ferrero Rocher. And there's that one. Mmm.
Baby, you had some in it, don't you?
No, actually.
You fire.
But don't do that. These are Taser's. I'm not giving that to you. If Taser wants to give it to you, she can give it.
Yeah.
All you guys can have it.
Just leave it. It's not yours, Baran.
Look at her. It's because she wants.
Mizgin, I'm going to go work, and when I come back from work, I want this as a whole, okay? Okay. Nobody open it up, alright? Okay. Guys, I've cancelled my work today, so I'm going to be home today. I just feel really down and tired, like I did mention earlier in this vlog. Derin's down for his third and final nap, and these two lovey-dovey's are just like having the time of their life, only because they're still boyfriend and girlfriend. When they get married, we all know what happens when you get married. don't we? All those people that are married or have been going out with, being with a partner and like, live with a partner for a very long time. What happens? Yeah. Yes. No, not you. Don't even sit on the same sofa. You don't even sit on the same. That's what happens. You have that phone. You have that phone, and then you get one of those laptops or a phone. That's exactly what happens when you get married. Alright, maybe not all the marriages. My one, it changes. Sometimes we have our moments, me and Sahad. We want to have our own time because we never have our own time, which is understandable, isn't it? Because we're always doing things. Because I'm not going work, I'm just going to clear up a bit so that my mum doesn't have to do much. So it's not like I'm still resting even if I'm at home. At least I'm with my baby. I just love being with him. Tidied up all our toys. Just going to clear up this table a bit. Guys, I've noticed something with Derin. He's actually moving his body from place to another by lifting up his chest and turning his body around. So instead of crawling, he uses this method to change places, and he also pushes himself backwards, so he goes backwards. Have a look at him. Where are you going? Alright, let me show it to you guys. Let me put my phone in front of him. A friend from Sensory Play, she was like, well, if he likes phones so much, then why don't you put a phone in front of him so that you can encourage him to crawl? And I was like, no, because I don't want him to get used to a phone. And she was like, well, get him to crawl and then you don't give him the phone anymore. And I was like, oh yeah, where didn't I think of that before? Are you saying hello? So this is what he does. He turns his body around. What are you going to do now? Right, that's what I meant. So he lifts up his chest and then pushes his feet backwards. There you go. Now he's this way. Dee. Hello. What are you gonna do? Look, he's gone really back now. Da da da. Da 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 da. Dee. Where are you? What are you doing, smiley baby? Oopa. Alright, let me put my phone. Oh, shoot. Are you going to go to that phone? Yeah, look, there's a phone. Oh, it might be a bit too far. There we go. What are you going to do about it? Oh, we're not going to cry over it. It's okay. You got to give it a try. Hold Mummy's hand. Hold Mummy's hand. Don't be angry at Mummy. Hold Mummy's hand. Mummy? Here, look. Alright. I'll do you a favour and I'll bring it closer to you, alright? There. You want it? There we go. There. See, that made you turn. Go on then. Get it. Go on. Go on. Why are you clapping? Hey, where are you looking at? Dee. Alright, let's turn this on because it's not turned on. So maybe you're not looking because it's not turned on. There we go, Dee. There we go. 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 You want it? You take it. You want it? You go get it. He keeps pushing himself backwards, huh? Don't be angry. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Ah! doing? Playing with balls? Ta-da! 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 Hello? What are you doing?
I've got more to eat. No, I don't have one.
Hello, Boogie.
Yeah, how do I want to eat? I'm the same.
Hello.
Don't laugh, you're hairless.
What are you two arguing about again?
Just trying to be rude.
Okay. What are you doing? That's a very nice smile. What happened? Darren, what are they doing? Hello. Well done, Derin. That's the first time you're holding your beaker. Good boy. Oh, you're so clever. You're so clever, and you're drinking your water. Well done. Oh, good boy. Well done. Look at that. Good boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Showing off his muscles. Say, I have big muscles. I have big muscles. I can lift up my beaker. Yes, I'm so strong like that. I'm just giving him some yummy dinner. It's got red meat. It's got red meat, sweet potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and broccoli and garlic. Well, that's a lot of stuff. And I've put like a few drops of, it's alright, olive oil. Isn't it? We've started giving you some more olive oil. Yeah? But this is what he does, guys. Do you want to have some? You want to have some? You want to eat it? Yeah, go on, show your friends. You want to eat it? Go on then. It's not funny at all. It really isn't, Derin. No, it's not funny. Look at all that mess. And I've just put this t-shirt on. Alright, well, it seems like you've had enough. He only has about decent 5-6 spoons of this. And that's it. That's his appetite. Not much. And that's why you always waste your food. And Mummy always does a lot, hoping that you might eat it today. Alright, so it's 7 o'clock and it's time for Derin to say good night. It's time to say good night. Yeah, guys, this is the way I've changed the layout of the room. I don't know if I've shown it before. So this is what I've done because the breeze just hits the cot and Derin gets very cold. So that's why I've put him here. Nice and cozy and warm there. Although you don't really like sleeping in your cot, do you? You like sleeping with Mummy. I'm going to give him his vitamin now. I've just heating up the bathroom. I'm going to give him a wash. Aren't I? I brought you guys with us today because I want to show you guys how Derin enjoys his bath. I want you to see it as well because he loves it so much, don't you? You too. Alright guys, I'm going to give his vitamin now. We're using the Dalivac drops if you haven't seen it before. I give him 7 drips of this because I'm breastfeeding him. The health visitor advises me to give him 7 drops every single day. Isn't it? Although we've started solids. Let's have our vitamin now. Let's have our vitamin, darling. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, you're never going to have it like that. No. Okay, it's your vitamin, alright? Turn around. Do 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 do. Blumpa! Blumpa! Whoops. Derin. There we go. Yum, yummy. Yum, yummy. I know it tastes disgusting. It tastes disgusting. Let's go and bath now, alright? Yeah, let's go bath. It's bath time, look. You want to have a look at it? It's the duck. Where's the duck? Oh, there it is. Quack, quack. Duck. Yeah, that's the boat. We don't have a boat yet. You want the duck? Or the boat? Yeah, the boat. I bet you want to eat it. Yeah, do you want to eat it? It's fine, and at the water spout. Down came the rain and wished the spider out. Out came the sunshine and tried to pull the rain. Said, "Fancy, spider, and at the spout again." It's your mirror. That's when I brought it to you when you used to love looking at yourself in the mirror. Rain is falling down. Pitter patter, rain is falling down. Look.
Anneanne su seviyorlar mı? Anneanne su seviyor.
Alright guys, we're going to read our book now and say goodnight to Derin. We're going to pick a book. Yeah, you pick a book. And then we can say goodnight. You pick this one. You want Piku? Peepoo? Which one do you want, darling? You pick. Okay. You want Rabbit Snap? Alright. Okay, that one. Alright, let's have that one then. Should we turn the book? Yeah? Alright. There we go. Oh, what's that? A shaky tree, says Rabbit. The kind of spot that I like. Oh, what does that say? Ding-a-ling. Who's that? Who's that? Shall we have a look at the gate? Yeah? Oh, look at that. It's the tortoise. What's he doing? He's on his bike. Yeah, he's on his bike. Can you see him? That's the gate, that's it. Good boy, open the gate. Oh, poor rabbit. She couldn't have her nap. Oh yes, that's it. Open the gate. Oh, it's the tortoise. Yeah, let's turn the page.